What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's gonna be a quick video, just going over something cool that I got to use here in the paint booth. It's a new blower stand for a Walcom spray gun. They were nice enough to send this to me to try out, and they're also cool enough to put my name on the blowers, both sides, my logo on there. I thought that was pretty cool of them. Now, there have been a lot of blower stands in the past made. They've been around for a long time, but what's cool about this, aside from an adjustability standpoint, you have one adjustment here, another one here, and it goes up pretty high, actually. You know, that's pretty good height to dry some paint at. It's got this coiled air line here. It comes with two fittings, a high flow, I guess, standard fitting, and then it comes with another one that is a different size. We don't use this kind here, we use a high flow. And also what's really cool is the adjustment of the blowers. It's got this pretty unique design that allows it to pivot, and you can really maneuver it wherever you need to, which is really cool. Convenient for like this job here. I've got quarter panel, roof rail, door, and two doors and a fender. So what I'll do is put the stand up here by the doors, up in front of the car, and just angle the blowers to it, hook my air line up to it, and turn this knob and let it go. Then I can walk out of the booth and go do something else if I need to, help get another one ready, mix paint, do something. So I don't have to be in here holding the blower and basically wasting a bunch of time. And like I said, there have been stands made before like this, but I got it kind of leaning a little bit wonky. But this one's kind of a real sleek design, and it folds up right there on those three legs and goes really compact, and it comes with a nice bag to keep it all in, so it doesn't take up a lot of room always. I might end up just keeping it over here in the corner of the booth, or I might just fold it up, who knows, keep it in my toolbox. Kind of just depends. But I'm not going to show any spraying in this video. I just really wanted to cover this blower stand from Walcom, kind of show you how it works once I get some base coat on here, show you some footage of it drying, maybe a time lapse of how fast it actually dries with these blowers, because they put out a ton of air. And I have the older style Motivated Painters edition. Shout out to Gabriel. I've had this for a long time, and it's been through its paces. Still going to use it every day, but I'll keep it here and keep this stationary, and these are built in. They can come off, but I'm not going to take them off of here. I'm going to leave it all in one unit. So hope you enjoy the footage of this being used, and let me know what you think about it, and let me know what you think about Walcom. If you head over to the Instagram and send them a message or leave a comment, let them know that I sent you there. They're good people, really good, family-owned spray gun company, and make excellent spray guns. It's almost all I use here and have used for the past year or so. So head over to their Instagram, Walcom Spray Gun, and check them out. Leave them a nice positive message. Tell them Resnick Refinishing sent you. Enjoy the video. doors are dry for just a couple, I have to say about 2 minutes. So we'll turn that off and move our stand. Dry our quarter panel. And fender. Just kind of aim it that way. There we go. This car is done. Got our clear coat on. Came out real nice. Real good. Pretty clean. Yeah, overall I really like this blower stand here from Walcom. Just wanted to make a quick video kind of going over how to use it, you know, in a daily setting, as I probably will pretty much every day, especially on a job like this where you've got parts everywhere. It helps moving this around so you don't have to stand here for several minutes at a time between coats blowing and drying. So I appreciate y'all watching. Like I said earlier, go check out Walcom Spray Gun on Instagram or on their website and check them out. They make some great stuff. Carbon fiber spray guns, blowers like this one, stands, air drying units. It's a really cool system. I don't have it, but it's really cool. So check them out. Let them know that I sent you over to their social media pages. I appreciate y'all watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.